This advent calendar sold out overnight. It has to be the fastest selling advent that I've seen all season. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel where we do lots of unboxings over here. Right now we are still going through advent calendars for 2024. I mean, I'm telling you guys, there are just too many advents out there. There's too many things that I want to open and see what's inside. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Margot Elena advent calendar. This is their 12-day advent. And I couldn't believe it, you guys. It sold out so quickly. They launched this calendar and I placed my order the day that it launched. It's a calendar that I've never opened up before, so I was excited. I'm like, yeah, let's check it out. I mean, packaging is gorgeous. And then the next day, it says that it's sold out. I mean, it sold out in hours, you guys. So I don't know if this was like a highly anticipated advent or if it's just really that good. I mean, now I'm glad I have my hands on one of them because, you know, I want to inspect it myself, but I've just never seen an advent go that quickly. So like I mentioned, this advent calendar is coming from Margot Elena. Now, like I mentioned, it is currently sold out, so you are not able to purchase this advent calendar right now. If they were to do a restock, I will post a link down below. You can sign up for the wait list and maybe they'll notify you that they have a few of these left over, but as of the timing of this video, it does show sold out. So starting with packaging, this box is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. It even comes with the red ribbon on here that they've tied it around. It mentions that this will feature 12 exclusive products that are going to be perfumes, hand creams, and other luxurious surprises from the Margot Elena collection. So I purchased this for $115. There was free shipping on that as well. So in total, I'm looking for about $9 worth of value per door in this advent, which is a little bit higher than some of my other advents out there. But I will say the packaging is giving me a very luxurious vibe. So maybe we'll hit it. Let's get into this advent, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and take off this red ribbon that's around here. And then, like I said, it is called the All Things Beautiful Advent Calendar. So this is what it looks like here. I'm hoping we can reuse this chest because it's so pretty. They do actually have a spot up here where you can put to and from. So you could write on this if you were giving it as a gift. So I do love that. Okay, so we take the card off. This is what it looks like with that card removed. I mean, how gorgeous, you guys. And then I believe, yeah, this is a magnetic flap over here. You're able to open it up and then inside you're gonna have your 12-day advent. I mean, it's really cute, you guys. Like, this is adorable. I am a little surprised. I mean, you guys, it's just because when I think of luxury, I want luxury on every level. Don't get me wrong, still beautiful, still like the way it looks. But I am surprised that these drawers are not that hard, solid cardboard. This is paper thin. I mean, they're very flimsy. I don't know if you can tell when you pull the drawers, like they really bend. So they're very thin. Not as strong as what I would have liked. I wish it would have been like this with this outdoor cover where it's a little bit more sturdy. So, I mean, I do feel like if you're going for a luxury vibe, you got to feel it all throughout. Oh my gosh, they wrapped every single item, you guys. So this is day number one. We're going to start at the beginning per usual. Inside of every drawer, they have hand wrapped each of these items. So in day number one, oh my gosh, we have the cutest little bottle of perfume. This is coming from the brand Lalia. Now, Margot Elena is a parent company to several different brands. So if you see different brands in this advent, that's the reason why. They're still owned by Margot Elena. But this particular product is from the Lalia collection. The scent is called Relax, and this is a lavender and honey scented perfume. This is your adorable little bottle here. I mean, isn't it cute? You guys, look at all those little flowers on there. So cute. I love the little bottles, you guys. I've said this all season, that the little collections, I mean, they're just adorable, you guys. So as far as the size goes on here, 0.25 ounces. So it is 0.25 ounces. This is still more than your sample cards. So even though this is considered a sample amount, it's bigger than those traditional cards you'll see in like magazines or something. It definitely smells like lavender, you guys. Like lavender is the first thing I get. Next up in drawer number 2, we have a hand cream in here. This one is from the Library of Flowers collection. The scent that we have on this hand cream is True Vanilla. So this one is travel size at 0.3 ounces. It states that you're gonna find bergamot, dark vanilla, and amber notes in this hand cream, which I gotta tell you guys, those 3 are like my favorite scents. I love all 3 of those individually. So to have all of them in the hand cream, I mean, this sounds like it was made for me, you guys. So this is what it will look like here. I will say it is a lot smaller than what I was expecting for this. So I do think it's very cute. Love the packaging, right? I think it's great. I like that this is one of those metal tubes because I do feel like I can get all of my product out of this if I roll it all the way down. So I like that. But this is 0.3 ounces. I mean, it's just so small for a hand cream. Typically with the hand cream, like I've seen travel sizes that will be a full ounce, or maybe it'll have 1.5 ounces. This one being 1/3 of an ounce, it just feels a little bit more stingy than what I would have liked. Just because when I look at this for a hand cream, how many uses are you going to get out of this? I mean, maybe a week's worth, a few days. Is that worth $9 when I'm spending $1 a day to use it? I mean, I just don't know, you guys. Like, I feel like $9 might be too much for this. I mean, I will admit, the drawers on here are pretty small. I didn't expect to have in here like a full-size hand cream, but I did think they would be able to get us a travel size, but like larger than that. So we're gonna move on to day number 3. This one is also very small, but I'm wondering if this is a fragrance again because it feels heavy like the last one. So in day number 3, we have, yes! We have another perfume. This one is coming from Tokyo Milk, and it is the Honey and the Moon scented fragrance. So this is what it will look like here. It is number 10. What's cool about this brand is if you really like this fragrance combination, you can go onto their website and actually search Tokyo Milk number 10, and it will show you all of the different products that they make with that scent. So you can get the hand creams and the soaps and the bars, and then you can also get the fragrance in there. So it's kind of nice that if you really like a certain scent, it's easy to find them. So this is what it will look like here for your bottle. And then on the reverse side, it definitely has kind of that apothecary feel. So it's kind of like you're bottling up all of these different insects. I love their packaging. It's so cute. This is honey, jasmine, sandalwood, and a little bit of sugared violet. The size on this bottle is 7 ml or 0.23 ounces. So again, I do feel like this is actually generous for a sample of perfume. Day number 4 is looking a lot like day number 2. So now I'm wondering, are we just going to go back and forth? Like we're going to bounce from a small fragrance to a small hand cream, and then we're going to do fragrance. And now we have another hand cream. Who knows? But it's starting to feel similar. This one, it's a hand cream. Okay, you gotta admit that's a little funny that in 4 days we're getting just, I don't know. This is from Archive, and it is their Journey Within hand cream. This features green tea and willow inside of it. So this is what it will look like here. This one is a hydrating hand cream with shea butter inside. It states that this is supposed to remind you of an old book, and that this one has aloe and cucumber in here, macadamia nut oil, but it's supposed to have that vintage feel like you're pulling this out of the archives. So this is what it will look like. It is the same smaller travel sized amount here. This is coming in at 0.3 ounces. So I don't know, you guys. It's weird because I'm okay with it with the fragrances just because I know they're so expensive. But for hand creams, this just feels like it's only worth $1 or $2. Maybe it's not. I'm sure if you went onto the Margot Elena website, you'll find this on there. But I can't imagine that they would be charging, I mean, would they really be charging $10 for this? Because I just feel like that's overpriced. Next up in day number 5. So apparently all the odd numbers are going to be the fragrances, you guys. Now in our next day here, in day number 5, we have another fragrance. This one is from Lalia, and the scent name is Imagine. This will feature willow and lotus inside of it. And we have 5 ml or 0.16 ounces on this one. So I do love that even with these little bottles, they stuck true to the original packaging. So they've got all of these great details on here with the flowers. You get the bird here on the reverse side. This is exactly what the full-size fragrance will look like. So I do love that they just miniaturized it because they're so adorable. Ooh, this smells also very clean, you guys. Like, I feel like this is a great scent. You get out of the shower, you put this on, like it smells really clean and fresh. In terms of a fragrance advent, I mean, this is going really well for that. Okay, I think we may have a different product here, you guys. So we're up to day number 6. Inside of this one, it is a round tube. So I'm guessing this is gonna be a lip balm, but it's not a hand cream. So I like that it's changed up a little bit. So this one is, yes, this is their full-size lip balm. Now, I will tell you, it is full-size by default. Lip balms are made in one standard size, so it's not like they're going to make a travel-size version of this anyways, but the scent is Black Cherry. This is made by the Tokyo Milk brand, and this is their Kiss lip balm. I have several of their lip balms. One thing that's kind of nice about theirs is they are really hydrating, but they do have a great scent profile on them as well. In day 7, we have another round little tube here. Now, I was thinking this would be a fragrance, but maybe it's not a fragrance. Maybe we got something else. Now you're throwing me off my game. What do we have? This is, what is this? From Infinite She, it is the Vibrant scent. Is this a perfume? Oh my gosh, you guys, we got a rollerball perfume. See, they threw me there. I was looking for the little square bottles, but this time it's a rollerball. So this is from the Infinite She collection. The scent is Vibrant. This is what it will look like here. It is a glass jar. And then, like I showed you guys, it is a rollerball perfume. It is 5 ml, and you're gonna have vetiver in here and yuzu scents. Ooh, I can't quite smell that one. Let me see here. There it is, yeah. So definitely floral, definitely feminine. It is a stronger scent. I'm guessing that's where the Vibrant is coming from. Compared to the other scents that I've smelled, this has a lot more of that stronger perfume scent to it. So it is vibrant. We're back to the hand creams. In day number 8, we have a hand cream in here from Lalia. This is their Elegance scented hand cream. White Amber and Mirabelle is the scent on this. I will say, I love that they stuck true to their packaging. It's one of the best things about their company is they have gorgeous packaging that make them very gift worthy. So I do like this, that they are giving us, you know, this beautiful look. It does give it a luxurious feel. This hand cream, though, again, is your smaller 0.3 ounces. So this is what it looks like here. I mean, I can't fault them for the packaging. I think their products are amazing, so I'm not even disappointed at that. It's just merely the size and what I'm looking for in terms of value are not lining up. At least not for me, that is. In day number 9, I am pretty sure we have another fragrance in here. Yes, we do. They should have just stuck to a fragrance calendar, you guys. Like, that's what they should have labeled this as, is stating this is your fragrance advent. And by the way, we're going to throw in a couple of free extra hand creams as a bonus, because this to me is where it's really at. And this is where the value is at as well. So Tokyo Milk, this is number 87. It is called Star Crossed. And we have in here citrus, water lily, and frankincense. So this is what it looks like. And apparently in our apothecary, we are bottling up the unicorn in this one. Ooh, now that's nice. This citrus is really pleasing. In day number 10, you guessed it, we have another hand cream. We have the Gin and Rosewater hand cream. This is from Tokyo Milk. So this is what your packaging will look like here. So same size that we have on here once again, and this is what it will look like for the packaging. This is not a metal tube like what we've seen with the other hand creams. Those ones are great because, like I said, you can actually roll them down and get all your product out. This one is just the traditional, what is this, plastic? I guess this is plastic. We have another fragrance in here from Lalia. It's a little bit smaller than the previous ones, but you know, because I really like small, tiny things, I love this. The scent is called Wish, and this is a spot of an amount, you guys. I can't even find on here if it actually lists the size or not. The print is so small on it that it's really difficult to make it out. I mean, my eyes must be really terrible, you guys, to not notice it. But I see Lalia, I know the brand, and then the scent, like I said, is called a Wish. They have all these adorable little honeybees on the reverse side of this, and it looks like they're all a part of like a trellis design. So it's really cute. This feels like it's less than 5 ml of product though. It feels a little bit smaller than the other ones that I've opened up already. So this scent, this is sweet. There's sugar in this, you guys. I know my sugar when I smell it. Last official day in the Margot Elena Advent Calendar, you guys, is day number 12. This is also the largest drawer in the entire Advent as well. So inside we have our final item all wrapped up. I would take a guess that this is going to be a candle just because I know they make tin candles already. So inside we have, yes, a collector's edition. This is called Snow Falling. The notes are winter pine and balsam. I knew I was smelling. I didn't know if it was in my house or if it was coming from this Advent because I have like a pine wreath on my door right now that I've been smelling. It smells great, you know, but I was like, am I smelling that? Or am I smelling pine from the Advent? And turns out there's a candle in here and this is what I've been smelling. So this is what it will look like here. And like it said, it's a collector's edition. So this must be a special print that they came out with. It's all gold, really pretty. Size on this is 3 ounces and it is a soy wax candle, single wick. It smells so good, you guys. Yeah, if you love the outdoorsy pine scents, you're gonna love this candle. It is really great for winter time. Like these are my favorite kinds of candles right now. So that is everything inside of the Margot Elena Advent Calendar for 2024. Comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what do you think of this Advent? So I have a couple of thoughts on this. First off, I love the packaging. I mean, this box is adorable. It looks gift worthy. It feels luxurious. I think it's absolutely wonderful. Like I said at the outset, I do feel like these drawers could have been improved, but I don't think they're terrible. So love that. I also really like the price point. Having an Advent for $115, great price point. I do feel like that's affordable luxury for a lot of people, so love that as well. I like that they offered free shipping on this. I like that you can get it here in the US and not having to ship overseas. So lots of wins with that. I think the fragrances in here in terms of the little miniature bottles, love seeing so many of those. I think that's a huge win. I like the variety of scents as well, and we got a little bit from all their different brands. It's just the hand creams that I'm struggling with. I like the candle that's in here. I just feel like those little hand creams are where it's lacking. And I don't know, I can't see myself spending $9 on those. I see myself spending $9 on a candle. I see myself spending that on the perfumes. But on the hand creams, that is where I'm struggling with this. So those are my thoughts today, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know, what do you think though? Do you agree? Do you not? We can chit chat all about it. But until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day. And I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!